Okay, welcome to DCC. This is a video solution of question number D of Codeforces round 859 odd queries. You have an array A of size n and you have q queries. So you have array A and you have q queries in which you have to say that, and at each query you have L comma R comma K. What is L and what is R? L is a range, L to R is a range of array A, and at this range we can convert these the elements which are coming in L to R, we can convert it into K. Okay, in all the queries, and all queries are independent to each other. Okay, so what we have to do after performing ith query, we have to say that our array A have the sum of all elements of my array A is odd or even. If it is even, then say no, and if it is odd, then say yes. So this is a sort of question. So let's take one example then, and if we do a brute force solution, like at each query at each query you are performing a brute force operation, like at each query you are calculating the sum of array by traversing and saying yes or no. This will be the solution of big O of q into n, which will give you TLE because of the range, because q is of 10 raised to the power 5 and n also, so it will give you TLE. Okay, so what you have to use your prefix sum of array A, in which the ith index will store the sum till ith, means if it is a1, it is a2, it is a3, then your prefix sum will be a1 comma a1 plus a2 and so forth. Okay, so let's come to whiteboard. 2 2 1 3 2. Okay, so you have a 2 2 1 3 2, your array A, and first query is 2 3 3. Okay, so 2 comma 3 comma 3. So what you have to do, you have to, this is a one based indexing according to this question. Okay, okay, so from 2 to 3 you have to change these elements to 3. Okay, so this will become 3 and this will become 3. Now what is the sum of this part? So it will be 2 plus 3 5 8 10 and 13, so it is 13 and it is odd, so we have to say no. So let's see. So okay, no, we have to say yes, because for odd we have to say yes. So it is yes, and here also it is yes. So what I'm doing, I will make my prefix sum array 1 2 3 4. So it will look like 2 4 5 8 and 2 4 10. Okay, now I have to change. I want to know that what is the sum between 2 to 3. Okay, so how can I check this? So this is my 1 2 3 4 5. So what I will do, this is my pre-array, prefix sum array. So what I will do, I will do pre of r minus pre of l minus 1, which will give me l to r sum. So what is pre of 3? 3 is 5 minus l minus 1, which is 2. So it will give me 5 minus 2, which is 3. Okay. So you can see also that in my array from L to R it is 3. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3, and here also it is coming 3. So what you have to do, you have to make these elements to 3. These element we have to make 2 to 3 element to indexing from L to R. You have to change the element into K, and check the sum of the whole array A, that it is odd or even. So what you can do, that it my pre of initially my sum is pre of n. Now I am removing my, this is, let's say this is my x from L to R. I am removing x and I am adding k into R minus L plus 1. How it is coming? Like if your L is 2 and R is 3, then it is like 2 and 3. So here also k and here also k. So it is 3 minus 2 plus 1 into k. So it will be 6. So you can You can see that how this formula is coming. Okay, and at this part you have to say that if it is equal to 0, then say no, otherwise say yes. So yeah, this is the solution. Let's see the submission code. Mhm. Mm, okay, so this is the code. I have taken integer and input and q. Then I have made my prefix array, and I have made this I for I get in 0. This is my prefix array. Okay, and for each query, the question has given one based indexing L to R. That's why I am doing L minus minus and R minus minus, and I am calculating the L to R sum. And if L equal to 0, then my X will be A of R. Okay, and I'm calculating my y, that how much I have to add on my answer, and this is my final answer, and at which I have to check which is mod 2, and if it is odd, then I will say yes, otherwise I will say no. So yeah, this is the simple solution of implementation part. For this question you have to know only the prefix sum, nothing else. So yeah, this is the solution. Thank you so much.